Once again, good morning to everybody, and I'm going for my morning walk, and I'm just around walk about 5 kilometers something. And this morning, you can see the warriors of Nagar Panchayat. They are really doing their own responsibilities very honestly. And I came here to drop my baby for the school. Then after I started my morning walk about 5 kilometers a day. And today is my second day actually, because I am overweighted about 7 kg something. And doctors diagnosed me that you should walk at least 5 kilometers a day. 5 kilometers means you can burn your calorie about 150 something. So I started my the boosting my energy and just losing my weight about 5 kg something in a once a week. And I done my 1 kilometer at least right now. And as you see that during my walking on the street, the beautiful context, the pictures, the sketches over here, some beautiful stitch and statues that belongs to the culture of Chhattisgarh, and the beautiful walls, which is really attractive this morning. And these are really giving the peace and calm to our life. So I think you should go for it, and whenever you come over here, you should watch at least once a time. And as you see that behind me, about 40 years ago, my father used to come here for a refreshment. This is the oldest SSL department canteen for the refreshment. Whenever you come, you want a tea, breakfast, whenever you want to rice, spinal can, each and everything's provided here. But right now that's totally abandoned and closed for the expiring date of that building. And wow, that's a beautiful scene. As you see the sunshine darkling, boosting the energy to all of us, taking the vitamin D as scientifically we talk about, and such a beautiful scene in this beautiful city. Today, what exactly I'm going to express you that is really historic. About 150 years ago, at the SSL establishment, this is actually the entire building of the manufacturing the coals, providing electricity and boosting the powers to each and every colonies in our city in a very traditional way. And each and every employees of SSL department working here, and they are just upbringing and take care of their families. This is only the way, this is only the sources of the employment last 1 years, 1.5 years, 1,000 years, decades. So this is really doing a fabulous job for livelihood for each and every SSL.